Today we are going to be making a very fast hair growth oil for alopecia and those who are losing their hairlines. So this is a very powerful herbs that you will use for this recipe. We are going to use ginger. This is clove. Everybody knows that cloves grows your hair. And almighty rosemary. What is hair growth without rosemary? Now all these leaves are dry. This is lavender for sensitive scalp, and it grows your hair faster as well. This is neem. Neem, all know that neem is antibacterial and it grows your hair as well. And this is horsetail. Horsetail. Horsetail leaf. And this is peppermint. Peppermint leaf. And this is melon, dried melon. The melon, this is bitter lemon, dried bitter lemon, and hibiscus flower. And you want to add all this. This is also amla powder, or everything inside here. And do not use fresh veggies for this. It is not advisable, especially when you want to resell. This is the best way to make your hair oil. Do not use fresh oil except you're going to be using it for yourself at home, and be well to preserve. So this is olive oil that I put in this, and I'm going to stir them consistently, and then close it with any lid, and then put them on a double boiler. Allow it to cook for 2 hours, and I covered it the next day, and I had to sieve. I sieved it. This is how it is. There are still particles on it. I don't care. I don't mind. I'm pouring everything on the jar, on the gallon, like that. So I'm going to add vitamin E oil to this and preservative. If you're going to sell this thing, be sure to preserve it. Guys, if you like this my video, kindly subscribe to my channel for so many videos to come. And I labeled it. This is one I labeled, and they are good to go.